Welcome to Blizzard Fire. We hope this video helps fire up your solution.
In this video, I will show how to make a virgin mango margarita. First, let's gather our simple ingredients. You'll need one large, ripe mango, fresh lime juice, and a sweetener like agave nectar or simple syrup. Don't forget plenty of ice, a little water, and your trusty blender. For an extra touch, prepare some salt or sugar for a festive glass rim. This recipe is truly the only way to achieve that perfect, refreshing taste. Now let's get that delicious mango ready. Carefully peel your ripe mango, then dice the flesh into chunks. A sweet, juicy mango is key here, so choose wisely. Make sure to remove any stringy or fibrous bits to ensure a super smooth blend. We want pure, unadulterated mango goodness for our margarita. This step is crucial for the perfect texture and flavor profile. It's time to blend our masterpiece. Add your diced mango, about 2 ounces of fresh lime juice, and 1 to 2 tablespoons of your chosen sweetener to the blender. Next, toss in approximately 1 cup of ice and a small splash of water to help it all come together. Blend on high until the mixture is completely smooth and has a lovely frothy texture. Taste and adjust sweetness or tartness as needed. Finally, let's serve up your amazing virgin mango margarita. If you like, moisten the rim of your glass with a lime wedge, then dip it into salt or sugar. Carefully pour the perfectly blended margarita into your prepared glass. For a beautiful finish, garnish with a fresh lime wedge or a small slice of mango. Now, sit back, relax, and enjoy your refreshing, homemade creation. Cheers!
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.